Hi all. Today we will learn about Jenkins Master Slave architecture. This is the diagram. This is the master node in the EC2 machine. Suppose we think like that, and these all are slave nodes. So why this master and slave architecture we are using this? Because normally if in the real time no, we have like suppose any jobs are coming to the one Jenkins master and it is processing all the jobs, so there will be more button on the Jenkins master machine actually. So the because of that one the performance issue will come. So and also more CPU utilization will happen on the machine, and so that machine will get crash also sometime. So that only Jenkins has given the concept like master and slave architecture. Here suppose if there are more jobs to process in the Jenkins master, then Jenkins master can distribute the load to slave machines like this, like this, so that Jenkins slave machines will process the jobs in all the jobs which are assigned by the master. So that it can reduce the burden on the Jenkins master. Let's try this one in practically. We will see this one. See, for the main prerequisites here is Jenkins master server requires like Git installation, install OpenJDK, and install Jenkins software, and we have to add this to plugin actually. Next one, enable the Jenkins port and security group and access the Jenkins server. Let's do this one first. Okay, let's create EC2 machines first. We launch two machines. Jenkins master server. I am taking AMI as Amazon Linux 2. I have a key pair already. Existing key pair is Amazon keys. Okay. Hello. Launch instance. View all instances. Let's log into mobile xm. IP EC2 hyphen user, advanced SSH settings, use private key, Amazon keys.pem. Okay, accept. Now first we have to install the Java actually. We have to update this one. Sudo yum update hyphen y. So M update is completed right now. Now we will install Java. Okay. Java installation. Next we will set up the environment variable for Java. Okay. Find find class -name Java. Okay. ls-la dot dash underscore profile. Go here, export Java underscore home is equal to okay. Next come here, colon dollar Java underscore home slash bin. Okay, done. Colon wq, save and quit. Now use source dot dash okay. Now you check it. Okay, Java version. Check the Java version. Okay, fine. Now we installed Java. We will install Git also. Okay. Sudo install Git -y. So we install Java and Git also right now installing. Okay. Next we have to install Jenkins. So we install Java till here. Next step is for Jenkins. Okay. Sorry. Copy from import the GPG keys. We are importing the GPG keys. Next one, sudo install Jenkins -y. So Jenkins is installed right now. Next we have to start the Jenkins. service. Jenkins service is starting right now. Yeah, Jenkins service started. Next we check the status of the Jenkins. No. Yeah, Jenkins is running, active and running here. Okay. Next we will enable the Jenkins. Now I enable the Jenkins. Check the Jenkins version. Jenkins version 2.401. Sometimes interview will ask you, try to remember the versions also. Now we have to open the port, Jenkins port 8080. Then this is the wait. Yeah, let's go to security groups, edit inbound rules, add row. So what is the port number for Jenkins? 8080. Access from anywhere, all zeros means. Now save rules. Okay, let's go to our EC2 machine. Running. We will take the IP. Now we will take this public IP. Go to the browser. Colon 8080. Okay. Now we have to give the administration password. So copy this one. Sudo cat and give the path, and this is the password of the admin password. Okay, this is the default password. Click on continue. Now install the suggested plugins. Now all the plugins are installing, suggested plugins. It will take some time. Almost done. Now it will ask for create the first admin user. I am creating the admin user. Admin password. Click on save and continue. Now save and finish it. Now Jenkins is ready. Let's start using Jenkins. Okay, this is the Jenkins home page. This so we completed the Jenkins installation on the Jenkins master machine. We have access to Jenkins right now. Now next what we do is we will create one slave machine. For that one EC2 instance is required, and git installation we have to do, and again install Java. In the slave machine, no need of Jenkins installation. Only on the master machine only we have to install the Jenkins, because Jenkins master will provide the jobs to us, so that we for executing the jobs we require Java. Okay, so Jenkins master will create the jobs and assign the jobs to slave servers. So Jenkins slave machine task is to execute the jobs. Okay, let's start from here. Create the EC2 instance. Go to AWS and launch one more instance for the slave machine. Okay. I have missed out one small point. Here we have to add this git JDK and Maven plugins in the Jenkins machine. Let's go to this one. Go to manage Jenkins and go to tools. Okay, now first go to git. First we will do for git. No? So we have to give the path of the git. Where is git? So git path is this one. Just provide the path of git here. Okay. Next, similarly we have to provide the Maven and JDK also. We will do for Maven first. Maven. This is the version 3.92. Okay, just give the name of the Maven hyphen 3.9.2. okay. For the Java project we require all these things, so that only I am configuring for you to know, so that you can know. So we did the configuration for git and Maven right now. Let's do for Java JDK. Here is JDK. Add JDK. Just give the name like JDK. We have to provide the Java home path actually. Java home path. To find the Java home path, we can give like sudo find /n Java. Or else we can go one second. Command is down this one. Let's go and let's go to the path. vi proper. Okay. See, this is the path of the Java. You can provide this Java path. Okay. Just apply some warning is coming. Okay, no problem. Save it. Okay. We have completed the Jenkins master configurations right now. We will go for the second step is like second step. This is the second step. We will do the slave machine right now. So for the slave machine, I am going for AWS again for launching the machine. Okay. Slave machine 1. Okay, slave machine 1 and Amazon Linux 2. Amazon Linux 2. I clicked wrongly, sorry. Amazon Linux 2. Okay. Next here is like key pair. We'll go for key pair. Okay. Key pair. Key pair will set as like existing key pair, Amazon keys. Just click arrow. Hello. Launch instance. Okay, machine is launched right now. View all instance. See. So this is my Jenkins machine and this is my slave machine. Slave machine. Okay. Let's log into slave machine. Session SSH EC2-user advanced SSH settings, use private key. So our key is Amazon keys .pen. Okay, open and OK. Now we'll log into slave machine. Okay, first one is this master machine, second one is the slave machine. Now what are the things we have to do in the slave machine? First, we have launched the EC2 instance. Next, we have to install the Git. Okay, let's install the Git right now. First, we'll update the repository. Sudo yum update -y. Okay, right now we have updated the repository. Next we will do the installation of git. Sudo yum install git -y. Okay, git installation is going on. Git installation is completed. Next what we have to do, we have to install the Java. So for Java we have steps here for Java. Okay, next one is next command. So Java installation is completed on the slave machine. So we finished the Java installation also. Next we have to create one directory. Name is slave node, suppose mkdir slave node. So once the jobs are created, jobs are executed on the slave machine, it will all the jobs will be stored in this location, in this path, slave node. So here we can find all the jobs which are executed jobs. So for that purpose only we are creating slave node directory. Okay, next what we have to do, we have to go to manage Jenkins. We have to go to now Jenkins. Okay, see the next steps are like configuring the slave node on master server. So we have to establish the connection between the master and slave. For that one we will do these steps actually. So first we will start from here. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Go to the dashboard, go to manage Jenkins. Next the option is nodes and clouds. So here we have to click on new node, put name like some. Okay, we follow the document, put the name like enter node name. Node name we have to give some like my slave node. Or we give slave 1. Click on permanent, create. Okay, now we have to fill this form. Name is slave 1, copy. Description also put the same thing, slave 1. Number of executors. So on this slave machine we can give the number of executors. See, that means how many jobs it is going to execute. For right now I am giving only one job only. We can give 2 or 3 jobs like that. Okay, so see, remote root directory means we have created one folder on the slave machine. Okay, this is the folder, this is the directory we created. We have to give this path, remote root directory path. Okay, paste here. Next give the label as slave 1. Just slave 1 is there now. We'll use the same name. label. Okay, slave 1. Use this node use this node as much as possible. Okay, okay, we will use the same, we will use the same option only. Next one is launch method. Launch method we will use like launch agent by SSH. We have to provide the host. We have to provide the host here is like we have to provide the host means this slave node DNS we have to give. Actually we have to go to AWS again for getting that host machine details. I'm going to EC2. See, this is my slave machine and public IP4 DNS is there. Now this you have to copy this one. This is the option we have to give, host machine. Okay, next we have to give the credentials of the EC2 machine. For login into Jenkins slave machine, what are the things required? EC2 and PEM key. Right now we'll go click on add and click on Jenkins. Then after that we have to kindly username with password. This is not option. Let's select SSH username with private key. This is the option we have to select. Okay, next next one is gives ID slave 1. Just give slave 1 ID. Description also do the same one. And username is EC2 user, EC2 hyphen user. I will give here also EC2 user. That will be EC2 user. Okay, next private key we have to enter directly. Okay, let's click this one. Okay, now click on add. We have to get our private key from other location and we have to paste here. Right now we will go and get the private key. Wait, my private key is in this location. My private key is in downloads location. It is in here. This is my private key. So what I do, I will right click here. For this one we require the git bash. Actually git bash here. I am doing git bash here. We can also install this one. Click here. So I am right now in downloads path. See, I want the key of Amazon. My key is Amazon keys.com and enter. Now I am going to copy this key from this location. Copy the key from this location. Copy and we have to go to Jenkins server right now. We have to paste here. Okay, I copied the key from that location. I pasted here. Okay, so I have just once again I'm actually explaining here. I just selected here kind is SSH username with private key. Next I have given some ID as EC2 user normally. Here my slave machine username is EC2 hyphen user. Okay, so we have to give the PEM key. The PEM key I copied from my downloads path and I pasted here. Okay, next click on add. Okay, see, click here. See EC2 user key. Click this one. Okay. Host key verification strategy. Host key verification. Manually trusted key verification. Let me see the documents. Manually trusted key verification strategy. Okay, manually trusted key verification strategies. Okay, Next, remaining I think will not required. Okay, apply and save. Remaining not required. Right now I'm doing save it. Okay, here is my slave machine. See, previously we have only this node only. Right now one node added. This is slave one, my node. Okay, this is my slave machine. If you want, you can disconnect from here. Right now we created the slave machine. See, the slave machine is right now in sync. Okay, we have configured the slave machine. We have right now what next what we will do now, we will go to, this is my Jenkins master machine. So right now I will create one job here on the Jenkins master machine. Okay, let's execute one small job, new job. Hello world job. Hello, first let's give first job. Okay, this is my first job. I'm selecting freestyle project. Click on OK. Okay, okay, okay. I'm not using any option. I'm going directly to build step, add build step. I want to execute one small command. Okay, echo my first job execution on Jenkins Master Server. Click on apply and save. Okay, we have created the job. Let's build now. Okay, build now. Okay, my still build not started. Yes, build started here. Click on this one and go to console output. So see, this one running as a machine, as a system, built-in node workspace. This path is my master Jenkins master location actually, where live Jenkins workspace. So here I want to tell you is like, I created one job. The job executed on the master machine only, Jenkins master machine only. But our main intention is to execute, if any job I am running on the Jenkins master, it should execute on the Jenkins slave. Okay, right now I will right now see, this one is the this job executed on the Jenkins master only. I am going to tell you actually. Suppose if you want to execute the same job on the slave machine, let's do the configuration change. So I am going again to my first job, go to configure. Here we have one option is there, we have to mention that option. See, this one is like, this option is there, restrict where this project can be run. You have to click this option and you have to give the label expression. I will give slave 1. See, we have configured the label slave 1. I am telling here to run this job on, run this particular job which I am going to configure on this machine only. Restrict where this project can be run. This should be run on this one slave. So click on apply and save. Now you run. Now you build the job again. Once again build now. Once again click on build now. Now the second build start. Now we have to check where this job will be going to run. This is the second job. Go to console output. See here, the path is See, this is the slave node we created. No? This job is building remotely on slave 1 machine in workspace home EC2 user slave node. So master has created the job and it was executing on the slave machine. That is the thing I want to tell you. So let's go and check in the putty also once for your reference. Just copy this part or else we'll see. Okay, just copy this part for space. So this is my master machine, Jenkins master machine. This is my slave machine. Just use cd, paste and go to ls. See here, first job. I think you all understand the point what I told you. Jenkins, on the Jenkins master we created the job, on the slave machine it got executed. This is the point I want to conclude this.